Rachel has some apples and bananas. The ratio of apples to bananas is 2 to 3. She has 14 apples. So we've got apples, bananas, and it's in the ratio 2 to 3. So there's 2 for apples. So I need exactly the same size boxes. You can just use the squares in your book. And it's 3 bananas, 2 to 3. She has 14 apples. So all of this is 14, which means there's 7 in each, because 14 divided by 2 is 7. All the boxes are the same size, so there's going to be 7 in each of those here as well, which means that the total for bananas is 21. That's the bar modelling way of doing it. You could have also done this. So apples to bananas is 2 to 3. I need to get to 14. What do I times by here? I times by 7. So I need to times by 7 here. I get 21. So 2 methods, very similar. We're having to find out this 7 at some point, and you get the same answer at the end. Either one doesn't matter.